Normal life was disrupted in many parts of Lahorijan on Sunday by incessant rains induced by a low pressure, and the weatherman has forecast more downpour in the next 24 hours. Many houses were inundated in water and normal life has been halted. The tributaries are flowing above the danger level and creating flood-like situations. Till filing of this report, more than 10 to 15 families were affected with the fresh floods. We, the Rising News team, would like to request the concerned authorities to take necessary steps by allowing proper drainage system so that flood-like situation can be handled.